Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change system sounds in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To change our sounds of our system in our phone, you have to go to settings, then we're looking for sounds and vibration, and here we have system sound, what we can change a fair bit. For example, we can change volume of our system, we can change system sound theme. We can also turn off keypad dialing sound, music, Samsung keyboard sound, charging sound, whatever we need. All system sounds can be changed in here. No need to confirm, just back out, and our sounds will be changed. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.